So complete change of tack now. I'm a clinician, one of the very few women in the audience as well, so bear with me. Essentially, this is about the GenROC cohort study, which I've been chief investigator of in the UK. It's 547 children with monogenic neurodevelopmental disorders. We've got deep phenotypic data, which has come from both parents, clinicians, and we also have genomic variant data. So it's probably representing one of the most detailed phenotypic data sets in this sort of rare disease to date. And essentially, we have lots of ideas about machine learning applications. Some very blue sky ones, which are possibly much harder to achieve, but also some much smaller projects, which includes one which I'd really like to be able to do, which is a way of using AI to help semi-automate some of the research processes within the cohort study. So, for example, I've got a very talented junior doctor working on TUB-A1A at the moment. She's doing some lovely work synthesizing all the data that we have. And what I'd like to be able to do that is to do that for all of the genes in GenROC, but it's a lot of work manually, and so it's whether we can find a way to replicate that process that she's been doing. I'm also working with Edwin Simpson on a couple of small NLP projects, looking at converting the free text responses from parents into HPO terms, and also looking at using literature to generate reports for the study participants. And I'm done. Thank you.